So we got the new engine in already. I suck at recording all this crap, but yeah, so this bolt right here, there's a bolt right in there that holds the engine, and this holds the engine. So basically just unbolt those two. Engine basically just falls down. Then you're able to take off the chain, and you can just take off that intake manifold that it has on right here, because the other one's shorter. It looks weirder with the other one. This one's a lot longer. Same thing with the power cord to the starter. It goes up to the solenoid, and it comes with bullet connectors. These little hold on, let me get some of these. It comes with these little bullet connectors, male and female. So I went ahead and I cut the plug off the old engine, since we're not going to use the old engine, and just butt connected everything, zip tied everything to there, installed the carburetor back on there since we already had done some cleaning on it. And so we're going to do the startup. Okay. And this push start here doesn't work. This is the new push start, so we're gonna push start it. Oh, that's the initial startup. Man. So this is no longer a manual transmission. This is now a automatic transmission. Yeah, don't forget to take off the manifold, the exhaust manifold, muffler, and yeah, it's very simple actually. It's very simple. There's the old engine right there. So let's give it a little bit of gas. There you go. She sounds mighty fine. Alright, so battery's bad, so alright, so all I gotta do is just fix this tire and put a new battery in there, and that should be it.